I'm Addie Jaymes, and I'm 8 years old. Fun fact about me, I have a cat named Moana. She's 10 months old, and we got her in July of 2020. Thank you! When Katie's good at math, she gets a big fat A that's tacked up on my family's Frigidaire. And at every music contest, Joe and Myra take the prize. On the freezer there are ribbons everywhere. And I'm proud to be their sister, but it really makes me blue that there isn't any prize for telling people what to do, except an invitation to Kalamazoo. Home of the world-famous Kalamazoo Advice-a-Palooza Festival. Do you know what an invitation means, Bobby? A chance to finally be where I belong. Up on the fridge is where I want to be, just like Katie and Myra and Joe. There's a white plastic magnet that's just the right size, where my new invitation can go. And then every morning I'll open the door, get some OJ or milk, and I'll see what I dreamed of and wished for and hoped for and prayed for, a prize that belongs to me. My parents are proud, but they don't understand. You can't hold a pat on the back in your hand. But up on the fridge, how I long for the day I could point to the door and say, gee, there's Katie and Myra and Myra and Myra and Joe and Katie and Joe